today is we are celebrating my mother's birthday, post-birthday celebration here in Buffet 101. Ganda-ganda ka man tayo guys kasi hindi pa sila nabalik. Bakit? Ang tagal nilang bumalik. So, first of all, thank you God for another year na binigay mo sa mom ko. At saka, second, I wanna say thank you to my brother who's been sponsoring this dinner. So, God bless you, bro. Yung brother ko, siya yung nag-sponsor ng dinner tonight. Thank you, brother. So, what? Kasi mong gipili. Yan ang pinili. Oh, wow. Yan, my cousin. Okay. So, we are waiting for others. Dapat tumili ka na iba, anak. Balik naman ko. Si brother, round 2. Round 2. Oh my God. Kasya ba yan? Hindi ka ba? Looking, ma? Guys, magpili ng food. Let's go. Candy corner, candy bar. So many. Guys, so here's my food, my first plate and my second plate. So let's kain na. So, ako ito mabawi yung ginastos natin. So I'm going to prenatal tomorrow. Time. Busog na ang mga tao, mga first time. After na mo guys, mga busog namin. So let's go. Nagbayad pa. Ha? Nagbayad pa.
Nagbayad pa?
Let's go! Ulit namin. Thank you for the nice experience. Buffet 101.